Good evening. I remember issuing a warning to Jamaica's track and field fans before the start of the IAAF World Indoor Championships to temper their medal expectations for the national team. Of course, Jamaica ended the championships with 2 silver medals, slightly worse off than their performance 2 years ago when they took home 1 gold, 1 silver and 1 bronze. But if one were to look at the performances objectively, there is no real reason to be disappointed if you're a Jamaican fan. I have colleagues who said they expected the likes of Olympic double champion Elaine Thompson to be among the medals. But the truth is, she didn't go into the championships as one of the top 3 fastest women in the world. In fact, she wasn't even in the top 10. I'm sure she'll dominate the outdoor season yet again anyway. I think there's a possibility Ronald Levy could have gotten on the podium as well, but when he lined up for the heats of the 60-meter hurdles, he was running in only his 2nd ever race indoors. I do think, however, that there were encouraging signs from a Jamaican perspective from the 4-day championships. Danielle Thomas-Dodd continues to prove she's one of the best shot putters in the world and copped her first ever world medal with a national indoor record performance. Kimberly Williams picked up her 2nd world indoor medal with an impressive series, also getting a national indoor record in the process. Javon Francis continued his comeback from injury and ran as fast as sub-46 this indoor season, which sets him up nicely for some good outdoor performances. Stephanie McPherson also looked in good nick, but unfortunately fell victim to the lane infringement violation, which wiped out so many athletes throughout the 4-day event. And let's not forget the disqualification of the women's mile relay team, which crossed the line 2nd in that event in a national record before later being controversially disqualified. So all in all, I think it was mission accomplished for many of Jamaica's athletes. Get some preparation in for next month's Commonwealth Games, which is where we really expect them to excel. When the Games in Australia's Gold Coast roll around in just under a month's time, we'll get a much truer picture of the state of Jamaica's athletics. I'm Jordan Fort. Good evening.